Hello, in this video we'll be unboxing Nokia C21 Plus. So right here we can find that this device is a Nokia C21 Plus with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage space. The color should be dark cyan, and that's all information we can gather from here. There's also email numbers if you need them, and another thing should be on the back right here, that this device had the sleek and strong design, 8.5 millimeters of thickness, and it also has the IP552 protection of the screen. The battery with 4000 milliampere hours and 10 watts of charging, up to 2 days of battery life, and you can capture and view with a great clarity. 13 megapixels dual rear camera with HDR support, 5 megapixels front camera, more memory, more speed, more privacy, Android 11 Go edition, that's not Android 12, but we're gonna check if you can update it later. Better security and convenience, fingerprint sensor, face unlock, and 2 years of security updates confirmed for this device. Faster to things that matter, octa-core processor up to 1.6 GHz, 4G LTE band support, and you can buy additional accessories like headphones on the link right here. Okay, so we have it. The price for it goes, or depends on what country you live in, might change, but in Europe it goes around $151 US, and in United States you will get it for $109. So we can open the package. It has the simple duct tape protection. And I think that's it. Okay, so let's check how to open it. It opens like that, and now there was also duct tape on the other side. In the front we can see the phone itself. Now we need to pick it up somehow. It's packed in a foil, but we're gonna check it later. Let's see all of the accessories here. There's a SIM card needle, which you can remove by taking out the sticker. Some quick start guides, warranties and instructions in different languages. There's this charger right here with a charging cable, USB mini to USB, very basic charger, nothing to show, and that's all of the accessories for it. Now moving on to the device itself, let's remove it from the package. It comes without any pre-installed screen glass protection, but it has the APA5, as far as I remember, like a deep screen cover. Here on the back we can find the speaker. There's a fingerprint unlock right here, and the camera. On the right side there's a unlock button, volume down, volume up key. On the bottom here we can charge our device, and I think that's a microphone. And on the top there's a jack plug to connect your headphones with wired cable. And there's also SIM card on the left top corner. Now let's power it on and see if it's charged. First thing is to pick the language during the setup and click on the arrow right here and choose a different language. You can also go for emergency call or vision settings if you need any of those settings, but I don't need it, so let's just go. Here, connect a mobile network by plugging in your SIM card into this slot right here using this needle. We can proceed without the SIM card because next step is to connect to the Wi-Fi, and here it doesn't support 5G networks, so you will need to stick to 2.4 band, and I will connect to this one. Here we can copy any apps and data using Google Backup from our previous devices, and I'm gonna skip it by pressing on Don't Copy. Now log into your Google account or create a new account for that. I would strongly recommend doing this and not skipping that step, as it makes your device a lot more better. And I will do it but off the camera. Next step is to select who will be using this device, and you can select it for your children or yourself. And if you're going to use this device on your own, click I'll be using this device and proceed. Here, click on I agree. You can read through all of those if you want. I'm gonna skip it. Now choose different Google services for this device and click on accept. You can change your default search provider. I'll be using Google. Set up a fingerprint unlock if you want. I'm gonna skip it. You can also set up a face unlock. I'm also gonna skip it. And finally, you can set a PIN, which I'm also gonna skip. Here you can start using Google Assistant, and if you want, click continue. I'm gonna skip it same way as previous steps. And now you can add another email account, change the font size if it's too small or big for you. You can also pick different wallpaper or preview additional apps that might be useful on this device. I'm gonna skip it. To get the best out of this Nokia device, you can receive news and some stuff from Nokia, and I'm gonna go with no thanks as I don't need it. And we're nearly ready to go. Let's click not now. Now the phone is finally ready. We can move on to our settings to see if the device information will cover with what was set on the box. So click about phone, and here we can verify the name, which is Nokia C21 Plus. We can also see if the Android version, which is 11. That's all of the information we can see here. As other information we need to gather from third-party apps to check the hardware and specifications. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.